Guys, good morning. All right, so today I'm gonna be preparing a dish, like a special delicacy. Just like I told you guys that I've actually not been like eating good food for the past how many days. It has just been ice cream, water, ice cream, malt, ice cream, water. So kind of feeling very better now, and I want to prepare very special food for myself. Although I'm expecting my friend, and she, is like, she said she's gonna be buying some fresh fish so we can come and make, pepper soup and eat together, and that is really nice. I love people being around me, especially this time. But yeah, I've actually prepared all my stuff. This is an homemade, like my personal, food. There is no wrong or right when it comes to how I want to prepare my stuff. Okay, so just the way I've prepared it. Anyway, let me show you guys all the stuff I've prepared here, and you guys are going to be cooking with me today, definitely. Okay, so this is I want to prepare okra. This is the okra. I've kind of shredded it and small like this in tiny pieces, and I want to prepare it with catfish. All right, and actually got this catfish in town some time ago when I drove past on a road. I saw some guys holding it, and it's actually a river fish. It's not like the usual one I usually get, which is like from the pond, and this one is more tastier than that particular one. That's why I got it, and I can't wait to taste it. So I'm gonna be using goat meat also for this food. Just like I told you guys, there is no wrong or right. Okay, I just want to cook my food just the way it pleases me. All right, I'm not like teaching anybody how to cook, but I'm only like asking you to like cook with me. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this small goat meat, and I'm going to be putting some crayfish and some cubes of Maggi. I can put more than this or less than this, depending on how I want it. It's my soup, man. Alright, this is called Nfi in my local language. It's actually called periwinkle in English. So I'm going to be needing this for the okra. It tastes really, really nice, when you put this. It's actually a seafood dough, and this is ozuza leaf, which is going to be perfect for the soup. It's going to bring out the aroma even more. So I'm going to be needing some pepper. I've blended the pepper just like you guys have been seeing some of my cooking. I love pepper so much because I was raised in the Yoruba land, and Yoruba people, they love eating pepper so much. So it's just a trace that has followed me down to here. Okay, so I'm still gonna be needing another pepper. This is called Ghana pepper, and it's gonna really make it pepperish, and with some salt. So I need to first of all wash the pot that I'm going to be using to prepare all this, and I'm going to be hanging the camera right here with this tripod stand. Some of my friends, told me that when they got their own tripod stand, this small octopus one, that it really got spoiled on time. I wonder why mine has not really spoiled. Oof! I just remembered. I'm going to be putting some dry fish also. I have a set of dry fish here. Okay, I've actually not washed this yet, but I'm going to be putting it into this food, man. Because I told you guys, no preference, anyhow I want it. I just need to put everything. So I'm going to be using dry fish. I've not washed it yet, but I'm going to be washing it. Look at how it stains my hand. Okay, so this is the view to all the stuff I'm going to be using for the cooking today, and with the salt. So watch me, baby. It's gonna be fun, and I'm gonna show you the finished look and more vlog. Like, yeah, of course, gotten over everything. Now I need to move forward, focus, and do my stuff, just the way I used to do it. Put a very big smile on my face. I have no other choice than to be happy. it's actually not the end of the world yet. So let's go. Let me look for a place and mount this camera. Alright guys, so I don't know if you guys can see me, but yeah, I prepared coconut rice the last time, and because of my mood and every other thing, the rice got spoiled, so I just had to like throw it away. Alright, so I'm actually washing the pot. I kind of love using big pot to, you know, cook soup, especially when it's soup, so I just have enough space to work with. Okay, so I'm going to be washing the pots right now. Anyways, I just think I love to show you guys the process of this cooking and not like show you washing a plate and blah blah blah. So I'm going to pause, and when I'm done, you know, I'll resume. Okay, so the pot is on the fire. I've actually plugged the stove on the electric, and the first thing I'm going to first of all cook the goat meat, because the goat meat, you know, is a little harder to, it takes a little time for it to, you know, get soft than the catfish. So I'm going to be putting some of the spices. The Maggi cube can sometimes be very strong, especially this dry weather. Honestly, it's very strong. I had to use stone to break it because my hand alone can't break it. Time for salt. And pepper. I'm not going to be putting all the pepper, but I'm going to be putting it later, but not now. Some people just love to steam their meat without putting water, but of course I'm not a chef, so I just prepare my stuff anyhow I want it. So I'm going to be putting in just a little water, you know, allow it cook. So I'm going to allow this cook for a while, and I'll be right back. Alright, so the meat has been boiling for some while now. I don't want it to be very soft, so I'm going to be putting the fish now. Alright. And also I like to put the dry fish. I usually love dry fish because it gives food taste, like a good taste. Alright. So I'm going to be putting a little water with the pepper. Alright, like I'm going to add, putting all the pepper now. With a little water, since I need a little water to cook the soup anyway, so I'm going to be putting it at once here. Alright, so this is, I've poured in some water, and I'm going to allow this cook for a little while so the fish can be, you know, a little done, right, and ready. So I'm going to be putting the vegetables, the periwinkles. Yeah, I forgot. I'm going to be putting the periwinkles too. I'll boil it. All right, so all the ingredients can get into it. I'm gonna making sure. Oh, set. And be right back. Almost forgot. So I just put in the okra right now, and I'm gonna be putting crayfish. I'm supposed to even put this crayfish like a long time ago, but I forgot the baby. So I'm gonna be turning it little by little, so the fish doesn't get so like broken already. This fire is just too much safe. I can't reduce it, it's electric. Alright guys, so the soup is like almost okay, and I've put everything Don't know why it's looking like this. I'm going to be bringing it down like right now. Alright guys, so here is my soup. It's ready for consumption. It's really yummy. Everything is in it. Got the goat meat,